if you're on a laptop, make sure your laptop's power cable is connected. Click on Start. Select the gear icon, which is Settings. Select Update and Security. Here under the Help from the web, you should see a link saying Installing Windows 11 on eligible devices. Click on it. This would then open Microsoft Bing on your browser. And here the most important thing is to select PC Health Check app. I would also provide the link in the description for downloading PC Health Check app. And then simply click on Download PC Health Check app. After the setup file is downloaded, click on Open File. Check on I accept the terms in the license agreement and then click on Install. And then click on Finish. And in here, click on Check Now. And the good news is that my laptop is eligible for Windows 11. And here you can see it says this PC meets Windows 11 requirements. And if you will click on See All Results, you could see the list of Windows 11 requirements, such as the minimum memory and CPU specifications, among with many other criterias. So if your PC meets Windows 11 requirements, then click on More About Windows 11. Then it would open this website and it says this PC will run Windows 11. And now simply click on Check Now for free upgrade. This would open the pop-up notification. Click on Open Settings. It will go back to your computer's setting and then click on Check for Update or Retry. This would then start checking for updates and then it should give you Windows 11 option to download. So click on Download and Install. This can take a while, so you need to wait for Windows to download Windows 11 and it would start automatically installing. And now all you got to do is to restart your computer by clicking on Restart Now. This would restart your computer and then saying working on updates. And after a while, everything would be set up for Windows 11. It should then automatically open Windows 11. Now it is upgraded to Windows 11 and the apps and softwares that I had installed on Windows 10 are still available on Windows 11, such as my Opera browser and OBS Studio. In fact, if you would click on Start, under the pinned, you could see there is a section called Your Windows 10 Apps to make it easier to access them. Also, all my files on my computer are still there. For example, when I go to my videos folder, these are the videos that I recorded before upgrading to Windows 11. If you're not happy with Windows 11, then watch my video on how to downgrade Windows 11 to Windows 10. If this video helped you to upgrade to Windows 11, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. And if you have got any questions, please let me know in the comments.